Video tutorial. How to create a chatbot. Disclaimer. The content of this video is for educational purposes only. Mention of the inclusion of websites, services, or products does not constitute an advertisement or endorsement of their use. Viewers are encouraged to conduct their own research and use their discretion before engaging with any mentioned entities. The creator of this video holds no responsibility for actions taken based on the information provided. Today I will show you how to integrate chatbot on your website. We will use Tidio.com as an example. First, go to Tidio.com and create an account. You'll need to input email, password, and your website to start. Before you can proceed, answer a few short questions. Set up your first message your visitors will see. Don't worry, you can always change it later. Here you have instructions on how to install Tidio depending on your platform. If you need help from IT or you want to do this step later, you can access them from the settings panel at any time. To set up Liro, an AI chatbot, first you need to accept terms and conditions. Next, you need to provide Liro with data. You can do it in 3 ways. First, if you already have a frequently asked questions page, you can paste the link into the window. Second, if you don't have frequently asked questions, generate 25 questions and answers based on your website content. After Tidio is done generating questions, you can choose which one to keep. Once you've added chosen questions, you can edit the answer in the Liro library. Third, you can add any questions and answers manually. If you are using this option, remember that each question and answer needs to be input one by one. You can remove and edit each FAQ entry at any time. Remember to activate Liro after providing it with all the data sources. If you want to test Liro's answers, you can do so in the playground. Feel free to do it after updates to Liro, especially after new FAQ entries, to ensure that your customers get the right information. You have the option to configure Liro. You can choose how it will behave when asked to talk with human and when any operators are offline. Give Liro personality by enabling the use of emojis in the messages. In settings, you can choose the widget appearance. You can choose a welcome image, the message displayed when online, and more. You can also set routing rules if you want inquiries about a specific topic to go to a chosen department or a person. Add departments first and choose the rules. You can also integrate Tidio with other apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, or email. To do so, follow the direction of the chosen platform. Now your chatbot is ready to use. eSeller project. Funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the European Education and Culture Executive Agency, EACEA. Neither the European Union nor EACEA can be held responsible for them.